Hello everyone, in today's video we'll walk through how to dispute a failed carbon transaction. Now, to dispute a failed carbon transaction, you just go down to your transaction history. As you can see, I have nothing here, but when you do, you will see your transaction history right there. Then you just look for the failed transaction, you tap on it to see the details. You should see a report issue or a dispute option on that transaction, and you just click on it, report the transaction, and that's it. Now if there's no direct dispute option, go to in-app support or help chat instead. You then explain your issue, describe what happened, then my money was debited but not received, a transaction, etc. Include the date, amount, and reference number if shown. Now what you have to have ready: transaction reference, that is the ID number, screenshot of the failed transaction and any debit alert from your bank, date and time it happened. Now, failed transfers are debited but didn't complete often auto-reverse within 24 hours. If it's been longer than that, it's worth escalating. If in-app support is slow, email their support directly. Carbon usually lists a support email in the app's help section. Now, for anything involving actual money loss beyond just a delay, mention that you want it treated as a formal complaint. This sometimes gets faster attention than a general inquiry. If it has been several days with no resolution, you can also look in the CBN's Consumer Protection channel. Since Carbon is a CBN licensed microfinance bank, that's a real escalation path if support goes quiet. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching.